Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add comments in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Then click File and choose Open. Select the PDF file that you want to comment on and click Open. After the PDF file opens, go to the Comment tab at the top of the window. In the Comment toolbar, click the Note or Sticky Note tool. Now click anywhere on the PDF page where you want to add a comment. A comment box will appear on the screen. Type your comment inside the box. You can write feedback, suggestions, reminders, or any notes related to the document. When you finish typing, click anywhere outside the comment box. The comment will be saved automatically, and a small note icon will remain on the page. To read or edit the comment later, simply click the note icon. You can update the text, reply to comments, or delete them if needed. You can add multiple comments throughout the document using the same method. After adding all your comments, save the PDF by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or click File and then Save. That's it. You have successfully added comments in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.